Is Apple really giving away free gifts for being a loyal customer? Or is it just another shiny scam dangling in front of our faces? Let's investigate. First, scrutinize the source. Official Apple emails come from apple.com addresses, not generic email or suspicious domains. Look for bad grammar, spelling errors, or urgent calls to action demanding immediate information. These are major red flags. Next, always go directly to Apple's official website or your Apple account. Never click directly on links in emails or texts. Compare the official Apple site's design and URL to the one in the offer. Fake websites often mimic the real thing but have subtle differences. Never, ever provide personal information like your Apple ID, password, or credit card details unless you're absolutely certain you're on a legitimate Apple page. Apple will not ask for this information for a promotional gift. If you're unsure, contact Apple support directly through their official website or phone number. They can verify if a promotion is legitimate. Don't rely on the contact information provided in the suspicious email or message. Protect yourself by using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication on your Apple account, and keeping your devices and software updated. These simple steps significantly reduce your risk. So, are those Apple anniversary gifts real? Most likely not. Stay vigilant, be skeptical, and protect your information. Share this video to help keep others safe from online scams.